So I'm Julien Barthes. I'm currently working in the French National Health and Medical Research Institute in Strasbourg. So by training, I'm a physical chemist, and then I did my PhD also in the French National Health and Medical Research Institute in the department like on biomaterial and bioengineering. And then I moved to a French startup also located in Strasbourg that was specialized in the first artificial larynx. I've been working in tissue engineering and regenerative medicine for the last 7 years with a special focus on cell-material interaction. And as everybody knows, this field is constantly in evolution. It really moves fast in this field. And so at one point, it was very interesting to take a step back just to see today what are the challenges in this field, what are the useful tools to address these challenges, and what is the new topic also. And so as you can see now, there is additive manufacturing as a new tool that really gets really popular these past few years. We also work a lot on cellular scaffold. And so at some point, I think that people should realize like this is really a vast domain. And so this book was about like to give a brief summary of this field. For me, there is two aspects that is really important right now. There is additive manufacturing, because it will bring like personalized medicine in another level, because now you can design implants specifically to each patient that will fit specific anatomy. And for this, it will drastically improve the outcome of the implantation. And on this field also, what is very important right now is the bioimplant. So for a long time, we have been implanted just scaffold, and we hope that this scaffold will be integrated in the body. But now, with the new techniques available, we can do bioimplant, so with cellular component in it. And so I think in the next 10 years, bioimplant will really raise interest in the field, and it will really help the patient to get the best implant you can design. Having an implant that specifically fits the anatomy, and also with the, now we can also target the immune system. So at some point, you can have specific implant that fit the anatomy. You can also modulate the immune system to have better integration, to avoid any implant failure. So at some point, all these aspects can only benefit to the patient. I think with all the chapters we have in this book, we have the chance to work with great scientists, which is at the top level and the leader in the field. And so, especially for students and even general audience, it will be a good way to see the next challenges in tissue engineering and just to have a great summary of everything that has been done until now and what are the next steps. And so as a student, I would have loved to have this kind of book just to learn about this field.